In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print shipping labels on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and what to look for to generate and print your labels quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your main admin dashboard. This is the home screen you see after signing in, where you can view orders, products, and general store information. If you're not already there, just log into your store and you should land on the dashboard automatically. From the dashboard, look towards the bottom left-hand corner of the screen for the settings option. This is where Shopify keeps most of the configuration tools for your store. Go ahead and click on settings. This will open a new page with a whole list of sections like general, payments, and so on. On this settings page, find and click on shipping and delivery. This is the area where you manage everything related to how you ship orders to your customers, including rates, packaging, and of course, shipping labels. Clicking on shipping and delivery will open a detailed page with several sections. Now, on the shipping and delivery page, scroll down until you see the section labeled shipping labels. This is the key area for what we're doing in this video. In this section, Shopify will show you your available shipping labels and give you options to manage or print them. When your account and plan support it, you should see an option here to print your shipping labels. Typically, there will be a button or link that says something like print or print shipping label. Click on that. Once you do, Shopify will generate a downloadable PDF file containing your label or labels. Your browser will either open this PDF in a new tab or prompt you to save it. From there, you can simply use the regular print function to send it to your printer. Make sure your printer settings match the label paper or format you're using, especially if you're printing on label sheets or with a label printer. If you don't see the shipping label section, or if the print option is missing, it may be because of the plan you're currently on. In some cases, you might need to upgrade your Shopify plan or enable shipping label features to access this functionality. Once those requirements are met, the print option should appear and work as described.